Thank you. Right, you guys, we are back. It's been a while, but been very busy. And Vivian and I are off to a baseball game. Say hi, Vivian. Say hi. That's her little hi, guys. So yeah, we're off to the Jays game. So stick by, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, share this video because you care, and enjoy. We have really good seats you're going to see. We're going to have some fun, enjoy the views. All right, so sit tight and stay. You know the rest, tuned.
Oh, please.
Looks like someone's ready for the baseball game. Let's try this again. Help me out. This is gonna be a long day. All right, y'all, we are almost there. We're actually right here. Vivian's, is it her first time? No, it's not her first time downtown. We've been to, as we put on before, we've done the aquarium. So go back and watch the aquarium. That was actually a really good video. I thoroughly enjoyed the aquarium excursion. Now we are here downtown. Vivian is excited because she's looking around. Vivian, we're almost there. Yay! Okay, so we have really good seats, and I don't want to end up in the wrong spot, and then I have to we have to walk really far. I wonder what's best. Maybe I should have just taken transit. No. I'm just trying to, guys, I'm just trying to figure out whether, what gate I'm supposed to be at. I'll figure that out after. Ooh. The sun is it. Oh, look at that melanin. Ooh. Ooh, Vivian. Ooh. Yeah, ooh. Ooh. Thank you.
Yeah, I got a kid in the door. He's like, oh.
Vivian, how do you feel?
Your Blue Jays continue the series against the Astros with a matinee tomorrow. Third baseman number 2, Alex Bregman. Please shake the Blue Jays to the crowd, featuring Ace, here at first base.
Free water. Say thank you. Say thank you. guys, we are heading home. Okay, so the game was actually a pretty good game. Hold on a second, I'm making a left turn here. All right, so, and the two kids, as you saw, ran on to the field. Honestly, they're the real MVP, but I don't know who their parents were that they would allow them to run on the field like that. And now they're banned for life. I mean, they probably can grow into teenagers and it doesn't even matter at that point. But it was a sight to see. This guy told me it happens all the time, but that was so exciting. It was funny. I gotta play it again. Here it is. The kid got tackled by grown men. Actually, one of the grown men was like pretty small, but whatever. All right, so Vivian was really good. She had an amazing time. She's so friendly. Honestly, she's really outgoing. She says hi to everybody. She made friends with the people behind us, in front of us. She held out her hand to the to the people that sell, the chips and the water and the soda and the beer. And she got free water. She just held out her hand and he's like, here. Everybody was like, what? I was like, what? And as you can see in the video, I showed you the guy. Obviously, he's in a mask, so he's not exposed or anything. But yeah, what? Nonetheless, Vivian, it was Vivian's day. She had a ton of fun. She did really well. She behaved really well. She behaved better than I thought that she would actually behave. She handled it really well. This shows me and she's not 2 yet, guys. She's not 2 yet. So this shows me that she could actually handle this, and I was able to handle her by myself at this capacity. I didn't have her in the stroller at all. She was in my lap the whole time. There was a few times she was, she tried to share her fries with strangers. She was sharing. Then she was begging for people's popcorn and cotton candy. But nonetheless, she enjoyed herself. I'm proud of you, girl. I'm proud of you. All right, so guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video if you care. We are back in full effect. Is this your? No, this is King. We are back in full effect. I had to take some time off to deal with some family stuff. But now I am here, and you will see me do some videos, some thrifting videos, Vivian and I videos, family videos, activity videos, different things that you can do with your kids or toddler, things like that. So summer is coming. What do you have to say, Vivian? Huh? Bang, bang, bang. So yeah, share this video. Come on, man, you gotta subscribe, because there's a lot here in store for you guys, a lot more fun. It's a short clip, it's a little bit of a short video, but I hope you enjoyed it. And that is that on that.